Hi my guys, it's APMB Greatness. So guys, check this out. Guys, I gave you guys the signal and I told you guys to place a sell limit. It's around 1,182, if I'm not mistaken. And I just saw the closing candle shooting up very fast, and I knew that something was fishy, and my strategy confirmed that something is very fishy. You should place a sell. So we placed a sell. This is how the strategy works, guys. As you can see that the price action was going down. What it did is right here, guys, it broke below this thing, our strategy, which is 20 combined with Bollinger Bands, with 200 combined with Bollinger Bands, and then the price bounced down here and retested. These are Fibonacci zones. It retested, it corrected up, and what it did again, it bounced right below our 200 moving average, where you should have placed a sell if you mastered the craft. Remember, I always tell you that do not think that because you have already got the strategy or have hold of the strategy and think that everything will go smooth. You have to master the craft, guys, so that you can stay profitable, or money will follow you like it follows some of us. As you can see, what's happened, that this thing, guys, the price action bounced below, and what it did, it changed the direction. The strategy confirmed that, and boom, it went down. After it went down, it broke below, because now this was a trade channel, this was a structure. It broke down below the structure, right below, and it corrected the structure. It continued the downfall up till down here, guys. And now what it did, it corrected. There was a correction of all these drops. It corrected right above here, and what it did, it will have to shoot right back down here, guys, approximately right down to 1,16880. That's where I am hoping for the price to drop. If not, maybe right around here at 1,17270. That is where the price is likely to drop. Always, and even even here, guys, we can see that the price was exhausting on a downside fall, and what it did is it bounced right above this thing, our Bollinger Bands and the 200 moving average, and what it did, it went right back up, and again it come back down. It bounced right above, and again it shoots it back up. If you mastered the craft, you should have took a buy here, take profits right at this resistance, and again the markets pulled back. You should have placed another buy here, hold, lock your profits, lock your profits when the markets was here, and again the markets went and retested this resistance zone. What it did, it broke above, and when it broke above, it came and retested here, and it what it did, it continued the push on the upside, deep on the money, and the distinct strategy confirmed it. As you can see, this is our next resistance zone. You should have took your profits right above here, guys. So mastering the craft is best, my guys. And again, the market shoots on the downside, and again it broke below our Bollinger Bands and the 200 moving average, and again it corrected. When it corrected, you should have placed a sell here on 1 hour's time frame. Always use this strategy on 1 hour's time frame, and again the markets dropped. It corrected and continued the downfall, and now what it's doing is correcting all of the downfall. There is a possibility for the markets to shoot right above the Bollinger Bands, but because this is a strong resistance, the market is likely going to drop. You can just place your stop losses right above here, or exactly at 1,18212, and just hold the markets right up till down here. There's a Fibonacci retracement zone down here, guys. And remember, we see a crossover here. This is confirming a strong sell. and we did see a crossing over on the testing our red moving average and our lime moving average, and now on the main 200s and the combined with Bollinger Bands moving averages, which is confirming a strong sell. But if you go and check those economic calendars like investing.com, they will give you a strong buy, a strong everything, which is fishy. I'm not sure why are they doing this, but I think they're testing the markets. The calendar as well is monitored. They want us to be tempted and take those signals, all those buys, only to find out the markets will drop, will go the other way around. So that's why we know I'm not following the system. I want the system to follow me. So, yeah, my guys, let's hope for the better. And I hope you guys understood the strategy just by this zone. This is a zone, ranging zone, guys. This is a ranging zone, guys. It is not yet it's a sideways market. It's a sideways market. It's not. It hasn't confirmed whether it's a downfall or it's upfall. So we're just taking chances with high hopes that the market does follow our prediction or our anticipated direction. So yeah, let's hope for the better, my guys.